Doing an alternator in a Honda Fit. The alternator's kind of nasty under that manifold. It's already out. I'm just making this video just to show you. I'm using the Goose-Grip swivel stick work light. This is a 12-inch LED stick attached to a swivel with a magnet. And I got all the other lights, all of you guys. It ain't nothing, unless you're going to wear it on your head, there ain't nothing you're going to tell me about that's better. You can't take your light and stick it down in the manifold like that. And I can, because I designed this light in order to do that. So now I can get to the back of the alternator. Not trying to make it lengthy, I'm just trying to give you more reasons for you guys to digest why you need to buy this light. And what's it being powered by? There's no battery attached to this. It does have a corded, it's a corded light, but it goes to a portable battery housing powered by a Milwaukee M12 style battery. 3D printed housing with a rocker switch. Turn the rocker switch on or off to turn your light on. And if you wanted to take this and attach it to some metal, you can. There. Anyway, available on Goose-Grip.com. You don't need a whole lot of reasons these days to buy a tool. This is just another tool, but it's a very special light. And it's very, very cool about how you can put it into places that all of the other lights that you have do not go. And the magnet is so strong that it literally will hold on to the head of a 5/16 bolt. And then while it's holding on to that, you can take the light stick and you can turn it at any angle you want. You can clock it how you want. And now I'll put it right on the head of that bolt there. And I can see everything down there. So, available on Goose-Grip.com. Doesn't come with the battery, but the 3D printed battery housing with the light is $159.99, I think. $155 or $160. Got a lifetime warranty also. I build them one at a time here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Anyway, take a look. There's 3 other lights there. I'm out. Goosegrip.com.